Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be covering what is SpaceX, what is International Space Station, what is the contract that NASA has with SpaceX and Boeing, and the latest news on SpaceX Crew Dragon launch. If you already knew about the SpaceX, you can switch to these timelines. So starting from the first, what is SpaceX? The SpaceX was formed by Elon Musk, who also owns Tesla Motors, the self-driving cars that you have ever heard. SpaceX is a privately owned company which launches satellites into Earth's orbit. Majority of these are the commercial satellites, that is the communication satellites, geographical satellites, etc. These launches are done by their own Falcon Heavy rockets, which they manufacture in their own facilities. But wait, the achievements that the SpaceX has over all the rocket industries is that they are able to launch the rockets and reuse the same rockets for the next mission. I think you have a clear view on what is SpaceX now. So next go to the other one. Why did NASA give contracts to private companies? After the Apollo mission, that is the launch of man to the moon, NASA has shifted their focus on Curiosity rovers and other missions and left the launch of humans to Russian Space Agency. Until now, NASA has not found a way to reuse the used rockets, but in the meanwhile, SpaceX was experimenting on usage of reusable rockets by vertical landing, which did not go as planned. But after a few trials, SpaceX was successfully launching and reusing the same launch vehicles and reducing the overall cost to launch a rocket into space. NASA wanted to send their astronauts to space station, but this time they wanted to reduce their cost by giving the contract to private companies such as SpaceX and Boeing. So going with the next one, what is the contract that NASA has with SpaceX and Boeing? Instead of Russia handling this mission, which causes concern to US security, US wanted a reliable partner to this mission. So after a long time, NASA made a contract with SpaceX and Boeing to launch humans into the space, that means to the International Space Station. Eventually, SpaceX became the first with their Crew Dragon to launch humans into space station. So moving to the next one, what is International Space Station? International Space Station is a floating lab that orbits around the Earth's magnetic field, just like any other satellite that orbits around the Earth. And the space station is located 400 kilometers away from the Earth. Do you know how it is possible to build a lab in zero gravity? This was done possible by launching multiple rockets with payload and assemble in zero gravity, that is in space. The space station is mainly used to conduct experiments in zero gravity, where such experiments is not possible on Earth. And this is International Space Station, so anyone can come here and take a part in the space research. Boeing is another major aviation company which is competing with SpaceX for their contract to launch humans to space station. The competition was created by NASA by giving two contracts, one for the SpaceX, another for Boeing. This created competition between each other for building best rockets within a limited period of time and launch humans into the space. This created a space race for both SpaceX and Boeing. The next one is the launch of Crew Dragon. After a long time of testing, eventually SpaceX came first with their Crew Dragon and launch that took place on 30th May 12:22 p.m. Pacific time, aimed at NASA Space Station. Crew Dragon is a capsule where it has a seating capacity of 4 people and the ability to accommodate for life support in case of emergency. Coming to the launch was held successfully by SpaceX custom-made launch vehicle and was also successful enough to land the launch vehicle on a ship. SpaceX became the first company to create history by safely launching humans to space and also safely landing of launch vehicle to Earth. So the next one is next mission of SpaceX. Even though SpaceX has achieved what no commercial space agency can achieve, still they are pushing their boundaries to make space available to everyone in future. They are planning to build Starship, which carries people from one part of the Earth to another part in less than 30 minutes. And they are also building Starship in order to travel Mars and colonize it. In all these missions, SpaceX is claiming that it would reuse the launch vehicle in a matter of minutes. They are also working to provide free internet where there is no access to internet. So I will end this video with my final thoughts. My final thoughts in this video are: SpaceX is a curious company with Elon Musk as its backbone. This helps the company to achieve their goals. The mission and the vision of the SpaceX is simple, that is, to achieve their goals and keep the cost as low as possible, and make the space tourism as available to everyone. These were my final thoughts, and thanks for watching my video. Let's see you in another video.